Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're at WinterFest. Again, look at the title, it's WinterFest. Alrighty, so, we opened a present from that area, I think. What present did we open last time? I remember it was a contrail. I think it was that one. I'm assuming it was the sign. That's turquoise. I'm stupid. Alrighty. What's this one? Let's see. Oh, it's from Guff. Let's open it. I have a cough drop in, so hopefully you guys will hear me cough less. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's the Guff Christmas tree that we saw before. Ah! Well, what? Oh, what happened in the background? Whoa. Huh. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. I saw a pizza. Pizza. I'm gonna find a pizza. Hold on. Alrighty. Fridge. What's going on in the fridge? Whoa! Prison break, I guess. Is that? Oh, is there a storyline going on with the fridge? I'm gonna clickbait this. I am going to clickbait this. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is the one that I hadn't looked at. Alrighty. It's not bad. I mean, I'm never using sprays. Never use sprays, so it's alright.
Like if you enjoyed the video, sub if you want, and peace out.